I guess this would be my third vlog. Third vlog around mountains again. So this is just very near to what's the first vlog we were in? West Fork, West Fork Trailhead. This is just very near to West Fork Trailhead, and this is Slide Rock State Park. And my audience today are Akash. Do you want to introduce yourself? Yeah, he's the first guy.
I don't want to.
He's no. I am about to tell.
No, I'm not introduced.
I will introduce him.
I will,
So this.
I will talk to Walsh. कोई चश्मा देखने कैसा दिखता है? अरे ऐसे नहीं भाई, मेरे को कैसे works भाई, works.
If you want, you can check here.
Works भाई.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Not allowed. on my- Yes, exactly. Don't do that shit. Yes, Harsha.
Hi.
We are back. So this is the guy. I was next to him in the first vlog where we were,
Yes.
what do you say, narrating the story, exaggerated story.
No, that's not an exaggerated story. We paid $35,
$35. Yeah.
for the entry.
Mm.
Now this place has a unique story associated with it. This has a unique story associated. This has a unique story associated with it. We will go over the story
Yeah.
after a couple of minutes.
So why are we stopping here, Akash?
It's the swim area.
So this is our first stop.
Yeah. You
So
can
this is the
go
water.
inside, but it's very hollow. So
Yeah. It doesn't have that depth.
You can start. Yes.
So guys, like again, we got stuck in this mountains.
Yes,
I don't
man.
know if we are how we are going to.
Yeah, we'll try going that way.
Yeah, please follow me.
Yes, I will follow you. Now. Yes, bye. You can.
So this is a very good water trail.
Okay, people can't hear your voice, but still you can go.
Yeah, I can still go. Do you think we should go deeper?
Yeah, we can go
Yeah, we'll
deeper.
Let's find out what's inside.
Yes, bye. As you can see, guys, Mahi is going way faster. We are out of our trail. I'll keep you guys posted because we need to cross over there. Mahi, why don't we go from here? But if you slip, you will go with the current.
Yeah.
So you need to jump directly over there, but it will be slippery because of the
Yeah.
algae. Okay, I think you can step on this. Do you want me to go ahead?
Yeah. Please go ahead. I will be.
Yeah,
I will be joining you. Nice.
Yes, bye. Here we are again, finally. Even Mahi is here.
Yes.
Yes, bye. We are going on a risky road.
Yes.
People, you can see the current is very fast. If we slip, we fall. Yes, bye. Where are we? Yes, bye. This is what I expect on a trial. People. Okay, I will let Mahi take the lead so he can update you what and where we are going. Mahi, if you can please go ahead.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes.
This is very nice.
Yes. People, as you can see, the view is gorgeous.
Further down there.
Yeah, we can go.
But I think we have a time cap. I think we should return in 10 minutes.
Yeah, we should. I mean, they will start closing at 4:30,
Okay.
so we can return by 5 o'clock. People, you can see some Americans standing over there. Actually, that's the original route which we need to take, which is the safest route. But we needed some adventure, so here we are. Yes, yes.
This is very nice.
Yes.
I think we can just cross.
Yeah, we can cross. I recommend not taking a step on that rock. Because if you take a step on that rock, you will slip right away. Okay, people, just bear with me. Oh, bhai. Okay, people. ఏంటి యా తెలుసు పార్కోర్ people, here I am trying to climb, but I don't think I can because I will slip right away. But if I go fast, I can do that. But here I will give my phone to Mani. Yes. Yeah, I can see you.
Yeah.
Taking in some wood.
Yes.
So you can go my
Yes. So,
Yes, sir. Oh, we'll go over there. Mahi, we'll go over there.
this is fun.
Yes, people. See, you can see. No, we are not stuck. Yes, people. Okay, this shoes has some. Is not. Ah, fuck.
Oh. I think they are some kind of desert fruits.
No, they are not any fruits. They are just some.
I have one idea. Harsha.
What the heck?
I can just step on here.
Okay.
Then here. But I cannot take a long
These-
step from this to that. There. This rock to that.
No. If you want,
you
just
wanna do that?
take the phone, Mahi.
Yes. How do you want to do this?
Okay,
So I need to take step on this rock, then that rock. So this is going to be, yeah. Do you have any idea?
let's do one thing. Let's go back
Okay.
and stick on the.
So you just want to go from there, the step to,
Yeah.
okay. Cool. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, we have one. You can stick over here. But if you slip, you fall.
Yes.
Into the water. Just
Yeah.
give me the phone.
Okay.
I'll start recording it again.
Okay, so we are doing, yeah, I will be behind your back, mate.
People, if you want to see how we are doing it, I don't think I can cross it.
You know, all these stunts are,
Yeah,
what do you say?
kids, please
Performed
don't.
by professionals,
Yes,
so please
professionals,
just stay
yeah.
out of there.
Okay, so I am having.
Yeah,
a
I guess
phone.
we can take one step on that rock, then that rock, then this rock.
Yeah, we
then
can do that, but I don't think I can. Yes. Bye.
You are being a very good cameraman, Harsha.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
We'll go over there.
From now on, we can be adventure buddies.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this
This is
is.
fucking cool.
We can just go for like this, like this. So we can see so many rocks over here, red rocks. Actually,
do you think the last time when we were at Oak Creek,
Yes.
right?
yeah, it's similar.
Feared by bears, right?
Yes,
So do you think any wild animals? were-
Yes, we may meet some wild animals, but see, people, you can see we are surrounded by two mountains over here.
Yes.
Two. So this is kind of like a gorge. Yes, which is similar to Grand Canyon. These are formed by rapid movement of water, like a river flow. Okay, the view is fantastic over here.
Nice.
Okay, I just explained our viewers how
Uh,
this kind of structure is formed.
okay.
So simply say, the rapid movement of water over a course of time, for a long time, for a very long time.
Okay.
So it will crush all the rocks, and that's how a gorge is formed.
Okay. So do you think it will cut the rock into half?
Yes. And you can see all the smaller rocks lying everywhere, and this is because of the, what we can say, landslides
Okay.
when there is heavy rains. Yeah. And this water is cold because this is the water from the mountains.
Yeah, I think we should drink some water here.
No,
Again.
not over here. We will go far. But what's the time?
So it's 27.
27. Okay, then let's start walking back. Okay, there is a note over there. We'll just read what's on it. Okay, people, as you can see,
We have reached the end of National Park.
yes, people, we have reached the end of the park. I'm just
end of the National Park.
I'm handing the vlog to Mahi so he can tell you more about it.
Yeah, so guys, this is the extreme end we can be here at Slide Rock State Park. We did, you know, that is a very good adventure, Harsha.
Yeah, we can still cross the end, but
We don't have enough time cap and we should head back. Oh. Uh-huh.
we can go.
Okay, but it's too slippery and we cannot afford to wet our shoes.
Mahi, you can come over here and show it. Let's go. Yeah, there is a guy.
This is very good.
Okay, guys, we were just stopped by a forest ranger. They are
want us to
yeah, leave as soon as possible.
We're just heading back from the trail and we're almost here. Those guys missed everything. That was very short,
Yeah, that's
and sweet
short and
adventure.
But still, these guys,
but still these guys missed.
are feeling like they have achieved.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
Lalit bhai, vlog. New vlogger in the house.
day 2.
ना already गिर चुका है already एक बार.
3 days later. Much later.
आते लड़के नहीं आ रहा भाई पकेट आते
Later that same evening.
glasses no
Early the next morning.
my sunglasses पानी में यहाँ पे है कहीं भाई सनग्लासेस यहाँ पे है कहीं ओह थैंक यू कैसा लगा
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Fuck it भाई savage आदमी है भाई ये savage भाई ऐसे ही रह अभी पानी में और आ रहा है व्यू
End of flashback.
Just went Akash just slided from that point to just this point and he is so happy.
Already tell them कि these guys are not with us because these guys
So me
going
and
to a different
Harsha
position.
were a separate team. We had the best experience.
भाई
So you guys just were at the starting point and you did not even see what's
starting point or ending point. It's about the 40.
Yes, we had the best experience. We had the best experience.
These guys were in a place where there is no flow of water properly.
Yeah. See, they cannot explore the nature as we did, Harsha. So they are way too jealous of us.
They are jealous of.
Yeah.
But still, they are with us, so we can't do anything.
Yeah, we are a team, so we cannot.
The name of the place is Slide Rock, and you were not sliding at all.
We did. We did not slide, but we
Sliding
did.
into DMs does not count.
Harsha, want to back me up here? Harsha, want to back me up here?
Yes, I can back you up.
We did buy.
Yes, you saw
What
that.
IMAX?
You saw the movie in a normal
Normal
theater.
screen.
We saw it in an IMAX screen.
Thank you, Harsha. Thanks for the backup.
But our movie was way better.
No.
No.
Your was Masti Zade and ours was Avengers.
Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, this is also good.
తెంపుకోవద్దు కానీ కింద పడే తీసుకోవచ్చా?
Yeah.
Apple picking. Then picking అంటారా?
Shivam, don't pick.
Don't pluck, you can pick.
Yes.
Yes, bye, you can catch.
What is the next place we're going to?
Devil's Bridge.
Tell the vlog.
So I see you guys at Devil's Bridge.
Lalit.
Let's go.
Devil's Bridge on the other side. एक बार ये देखो. Devil's Bridge हो रहा है, सीधा दिखा रहा है.
So this is the second stop of the day. And we are on our way to Devil's Bridge.
ఏదో ఒక రోజు అయిపోతా నేను నీతో ఉంటే నేను.
See, just be careful. There are cactus.
That way.
That is the way? Okay.
You can see that in the map.
यहाँ पे कोई एरो तो नहीं है?
नहीं भाई.
So what is this, Akash?
So again,
Yes, let's
I'm
go.
not able
Let's
to see where
go.
we are, but
Okay.
where are we?
That is parking area.
Where are we?
Shit, man.
भाई
So
Devil's
it is
Bridge
gone
उधर
wrong
है.
then.
उधर है Devil's
You
Bridge.
are here. It is gone wrong.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि एरो तो नहीं है यहाँ पे, उसने छुपा रखा है 1 घंटे से. मैं
Oh, we can get. I don't know.
हाँ क्या बात कर दी तूने? ओह
Ignore this animal.
Let's go. The hike to Devil's Bridge is 3 hours.
What?
What the hell, man? Chalo, let's go. So actually we are here. This is all the trail. We can simply go like this.
हाँ पानी के ऊपर से कूदेगा ना.
By this is not.
So it says it takes approximately 3 hours. And even with communication, rescue efforts may be delayed. Okay.
Oh.
So do you think if we lost,
We will not be lost. No, here there's a path.
helicopter will come and get us?
There's a path.
There is a path, but 3 hours. I don't think we can make it.
अरे तो एक काम करते हैं, व्यूअर्स को क्या पता है, यहाँ पे जाएंगे बोल देंगे डेविल्स ब्रिज है.
Yeah, guys.
नहीं भाई पता है.
पता है?
Yeah.
But this is a trail. Why don't we go for some time?
You want to go random?
Yeah, random places.
What if there are some
Anyways,
foxes?
there are helicopters. Those can
Okay.
save us. Rescue efforts are in place.
Where is our car?
मिल लिया. ये क्या? आराम से.
కాదు ఎక్కడుంది అసలు హియర్ గైస్
Yeah, be fast.
Yeah, let's find out. Walk around and find out.
Bhai, this is too easy, bhai.
Yes, finally, guys, we are here. Finally, we made it to the road. Again, one more man versus wild episode is hit.
Don't come back to this place. This is a
Yes, just this is a very tough track.
only for strong people
Like us,
like. यहाँ से cross करना.
let's go. Yes, it is raining. You see that?
It is.
Yeah, it's raining. Let's go. So I think this would be the end of this journey. Yeah, we might go to McDonald's in Sedona that has a blue color logo. That is, I think, that is the only one restaurant in the whole world it has the blue color logo. Yeah, we couldn't go to Devil's Bridge today. I think I might go in the next time maybe. Yeah, I would make a vlog out of it or something like that. I think yeah, I see you guys in the next vlog then. Bye. Okay, just be short and sweet to our viewers.
Okay,
Yeah.
I will not go into much detail, but
Okay.
actually this bridge is formed by the roots of the trees.
Okay.
One day, don't know what happened, the bridge suddenly collapsed.
Okay.
So almost on that bridge there were like 100 people.
Mm-hmm.
All fell down.
Oh, you know the exact
Yes.
count that there are 100 people around?
Yeah, I think around 100 people. I don't remember the whole story.
Okay.
I just talked with the local right now.
Okay.
So
Uh.
they all died.
Oh,
So from
so
that
this
time
story is
onwards-
brutal too.
Yeah, this is too brutal.
Okay.
So from that time onwards, whenever people walk late at
Okay.
the night,
Uh-huh.
they can hear some people
Mm-hmm.
talking, walking, all the sounds.
Oh.
So that's why the name Devil.
Oh.
Okay.
So do you think we can encounter any one of these devil along the way?
I don't know.
Shall we go to Vegas? Let's fucking go.
Yes.
Huh? What do you guys say?
We can go by
Shivam?
5 o'clock. तो Vegas ही आ रहे हैं ना.
Not scripted. Yeah, you can cut this. This means you can cut the vlog.
ये mozzarella sticks खा लियो.
Peace.